In this video, I will show you how to change your phone number on Coinbase. So if you want to change your phone number on Coinbase, then please make sure you watch this video until the end. So first of all, we're going to open our Coinbase app, and then from the Home tab, we're going to click on the three stripes at the top left. And from here, you need to click on Account Settings all the way at the top. From here, scroll down, and then under Account, you will see Phone Numbers. So go ahead and click on this. And from here, scroll down and go ahead and click on Phone Numbers. And once you are in here, go ahead and scroll down. And then under Text Message SMS, you need to make sure that you have this enabled. And when you want to change this, you need to click on the arrow down. And then you will see your phone number popping up in here. So if you want to remove it, you're going to click on this trash icon in here, and then you're going to click on Add a Backup Phone Number. And once you do that, you will change your phone number on Coinbase. So let's go ahead and do that. Click on Add Backup Phone Number in here. And then in this section, you need to fill in your phone number, click on Continue, and then verify this with a code. And once you do that, you will eventually change your phone number in Coinbase. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. Then I will see you in the next one.